Here is a simple step on how you can create a Google form, customize it the way you want as a beginner. With any further ado, let's get started. Once you head onto your browser, you type Google Form, look for the link which says Google Forms. Sign in. Click on that link. It will take you to a new page and you will see different customized forms. The one we want to choose is Start a New Form, which is the blank form. Click on the blank form. Once the form load, now you can see Untitled Form, Untitled Questions. Now we want to give the form a title. What is the title of this form? Let's say the title of this form is tell us more mode viewers. Tell us more viewers. That's the name, that's the title of the form. Tell us more viewers. So we want to make a question, a description of the form. So the description of the form is data data for my my YouTube my YouTube channel. Data for my YouTube channel. That's the description of the form. So now we want to make a question for this form. What age defines you best? Let's give it a space. What age defines you best? What age defines you best? And if you click on this drop down button, you will see a lot of suggestion. You see the section where it says short answers, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, rating, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date, time. So you see a whole lot of them. You can choose the one that best suits you based on your question. For me, I want to choose multiple choice since we want to have the data for people's age. We choose a multiple choice. So now let's say your age should be from 1 to 1 to 18. 1 to 18. Click on the enter button. Let's say from 19 to 30. From 31 to 50. Let's say from 51 to 80. And let's say 80 plus 81 plus 81 plus, and click on the required field. Let's click on the toggle button which says required, because it's a must. Click on the toggle button which says required. And also we want to add another question down below. you can come to this add question session. Add question. So another question says, what video is your best video? Your best video. What is your best video in my channel? In my channel. What is your best video in my channel? I want to see that answer, alright? I want to see that answer down below. Ensure you go to the comment section and leave a comment there. I want to see a comment for that one, please. Your answer in the comment section. So for this session, for this question, we want to leave it on short answer. We don't want to give you the paragraph or multiple choice or checkbox. We just want to leave it the session which says short answer, and also click on the toggle button which says required. Create a mock. We want it to be required. So here's the session where you can add questions. When you come down below, you can input questions and also add title and description. You can add image or images. You can add videos, and also you can add sections. So this is a simple way on how you can make a Google form. So let's try to customize it. When you come to the session where you can customize it, you can see the header. Here is the section where you can change the font name. But I love this font. I don't want to change the font name, and also I want the font size to be 24. And also in the question section, you can literally add a font name. But I love the font also that it's here, the bottom font and the font size. I want it to be like that. The text section for the question, you can also change the font name and also the font size. You can change them, but I want to leave it like that. Come here and also add image into the session, and also in the color palette you can choose whatever color you want. But for me, I want to leave it as the default color. I don't want to change anything here. So this is a simple way you can come and also customize your form. Give it whatever color you want, font name, font size, and add image there. Let's try to publish our form. Now you can click on the publish button, click publish, and now let's shorten the URL. Copy the link. So you are copying out the link. So once you copy the link, you can paste it wherever you want people to see that link, that they can click on the link, which can take them straight away to Google Form. Once they click in the link, fill in all the answers to the questions that they have entered. You come to the section which says responses. You can see 0 responses because we haven't shared our link yet and nobody have response to our questions that we have asked them. So once they respond to them, you can come here and see the responses. There is no responses here. You can come to settings. You can see a different way on how you can customize the settings as the way you want them. This is a simple way on how you can create a Google form as a beginner and customize it the way you want. And I know you really do find value in this video. Ensure you hit the subscribe button, like, and also share this video to your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.